मो ना हूँ पूजा मु आज गोटे सुंदर बढ़िया वीडियो गोटे लेके आपण मन पे आसी मो स्वामी कली राति कुआड़े जाए मत है आसे फोन करती सी आज भले गोटे झगड़ा कि ना हम झगड़ा आज पूरा देखते कचुम्बर बन जाऊन तो भांग भांग से गाड़ी देखी जाऊन 3टा बाजिला सका राति दिन 3टा बाजिला कहीं आस पैकिंग कर बाहर जाऊन कहीं गले मतलब कौन एमती लोक मैंने कहीं जाऊँगी मैंने राति 3टा सियाड़
Never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch. Always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy. It was built to be rough, but that's what makes a personality is jazzy. We ain't out here moving rocks. We out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting polarized. We out here making puzzles, and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub. Or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up. Play the game, bro. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. Just they hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak quiet. See they be hiding in privacy with the street on reality. You ain't someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety. We make our own memories. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything. It's killing me. Thoughts feeling quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better. Work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go getters.
मोबाइल किसी ना तुमर रेकर्डिंग होटा यूट्यूब रे पड़ो देख ये काली सका राति जाइए 9टारे सॉरी 8टारे आसुँच दिन 3टा माने जी जो कौन वाइफ तो सी कर डाउट तो निश्चिंत कर नो ऑब्जेक्शन नो ऑब्जेक्शन नो ऑब्जेक्शन तुमर तो निजर कॉमन सेंस नहीं निजर कॉमन सेंस रख
I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I